let us go with the problem number 12. Arrange the following in descending order. Descending orders in the sense that is greatest to smallest we need to work, right? Smallest we need to work. Now observe the fraction they have given, that is in the numerator all are same, that is 3 they have only given. Now observe the denominator. So when the numerator of a fraction is same, and if the denominator, the smallest denominator will be the greatest one, right? By using that, so 3 by 2 is going to be the greatest, 3 by 2 which is greater than 3 by 5, and which is greater than 3 by 7, and which is greater than 3 by 11, and which is greater than 3 by 17. So the order is 3 by 2, 3 by 5, 3 by 7, 3 by 11, and 3 by 17. This is the ascending order, right? Not descending order, right? They have given in terms of descending order, that is greatest to smallest. Okay, fine, thank you.